Oh God. This has never happened in my life. We missed our flight to Lombok. We got here like a little late. I thought the flight was at 11:55, but really it was at 10:55, and we got here at like 10:20, and they wouldn't get us on the flight. They said you had to be here a half an hour early. We got here like 21 minutes early. So yeah, we were flying Wing Air to Lombok, and yeah, we missed our flight. Hopefully this guy takes care of us, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But it was quite a hectic mess getting here, and this has never, ever happened to me. I swear I'm not doing this for the vlog. I absolutely swear. We just missed our second flight. I guess they changed the gate the last second. We didn't hear it at all, and we missed our second flight. So we gotta book another airline. Hopefully we can make it to Lombok, because guess what? All our luggage is on the previous flight right now, including my tennis racket, my baby. I know drama's good for the vlog, but this is not good drama. I am... And it's funny because earlier I was joking around. I was like, what if we miss our second flight? And Melissa's like...
Hey, drama.
And guess what? We missed our second flight. So we missed our 10:55 flight. We missed our 4:45 flight. And there's one more flight going to Lombok tonight. And
we're gonna make it.
I hope we make it. I hope we make it. We made it. We made it after 3 tickets. Such a wild day. I can't believe this. To Kebun Villas, we made it to Lombok finally after a long, long day of travel. Oh my God, we have an early day tomorrow, so I'll show you guys the place tomorrow. Oh, good morning guys. First morning in Lombok. I still can't believe we made it last night still. But we made it to Lombok at the Kebun Villas. I'll show you guys a tour later on after I fog up a little bit. Good morning, Melissa. I don't even know which way. Same. But it's awesome to be here. So, like I mentioned yesterday, Lombok is Bali 10-15 years ago, so we're super stoked to explore it. A lot less people, it's quieter. There's waterfalls, there's one volcano here. And it's amazing because if you just listen, there's birds everywhere. I don't know if we're literally in the middle of the jungle, but it's kind of awesome just to wake up and just hear so many different sounds of birds. I am super stoked. We're gonna be here for the next 5 nights, 6 full days. Let's say 4 nights left. And we have an amazing tour set up for us today. We're gonna be checking out a waterfall and a couple other things. I'm not sure exactly what, but waterfall is like the crucial one. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. See how amazing it is? If you're having an early tour, they set up breakfast boxes for you. I'll take that all day. Makasi. Could you? Oh, we have no arms.
Hold on. I'm gonna put this stuff in my
I can balance it on my head if you put it on my head. Yeah. So our driver should be here any second now. I swear, if this is our tour car, this is so BA. Oh my God, this is amazing! Good morning! Good morning. Nice to meet you. After you? Christoph. Hasbi, nice to meet you. This is such an amazing car.
Now we go to waterfall.
Waterfall?
Yes.
We're gonna go off-roading?
Of course.
Yes! I love this.
I would like to tell you.
Yes.
This is my first time to become a driver and guide with a travel vlogger.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we have Hasbi to take us around today to the waterfall. We have a 2-hour drive. If I want to ride in the back, he said I can. Drama's good for the vlog. Maybe I'll do that later. No. Although we missed 2 flights yesterday, so I think that's enough drama for this vlog. We had almost a 3-hour trek to our first viewpoint. We first picked up our official tour guide as Hasbi was our driver, and we made it to our first viewpoint, which was absolutely beautiful. And if you want some meatballs to go, we're gonna get some meatballs to go. Not bad.
You want a spicy or sweet?
Spicy, please.
We will go to Malun. Usually we will visit a traditional village.
Traditional village?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. And I got my balls, my meatballs. The spiciness. This is actually really good. Woo! It's like not hot up here. It's like perfect breeze. This is so nice up here. All right, down to the villages now. We go. So we're in like one of the first villages now in Sumbalan. It started out with only 7 houses and 7 families, and we're driving right through the village right now, and this is very surreal type experience right now. Wow. So yeah, this is like the bamboo forest we're at right now, which is pretty amazing. Driving right through the little village, the first village in Sumalasa. We'll go back to the footage. Yeah. It says Ruma the Hobbit. Is there a hobbit that lives there? Yeah, hobbit. No. No, there's no hobbit that lives there. Yeah, so he's saying on the weekends there's a ton of tourists and a lot of people here. So I think it's a Wednesday today. I'd highly recommend come on a weekday because we're the only ones here, to be honest. There's no one here except for us, which is perfect. You can see, like, I don't know if that's a church or a temple, one right there, one right there, one right there that they're building or in construction. Oh yeah, there's like one super in the far distance. This is just so peaceful. Oh my god, he's so quick!
You guys have the right to use.
Careful, Melissa! Take your time, seriously. So he's saying there's like a competition that starts all the way over there, all around the hills, all around the mountains, literally running. It's a race, right? Running. And it took 36 hours. Oh my god. Woo! Goodbye to this view. 6 or 7 kilometers from the waterfall. We're gonna get some lunch and have a picnic at the waterfall. Building some more for the village, constructing. This is amazing views here in Lombok. I absolutely love it. It's completely different than Bali too, which there's a lot of beauty here. There's a lot of beauty, just like Bali too though, but less tourists. So we're on a pretty tough trek now. This is the toilet trek. Heading to the toilets. Oh, the toilet trek is tough.
Boys, yeah ma. They go like this. They go will
get the cows over here, the herd.
Yeah.
Itma, Itma.
Yes.
Itma, Itma, Itma,
No, not this.
Itma. Oh, I thought it was gonna work. This one.
Just a special place, you know.
Ah, okay.
And
I tried. So this is our lunch spot right over here. We're gonna get some food and take it directly to the waterfall and have a waterfall picnic. All right, so it looks like this is the entrance of the waterfall after we picked up some lunch. So the boys got lunch and we are heading into the waterfall right now. We're doing some major off-roading to get to this waterfall. Oh my god. We gotta go up this?
yeah.
Yeah? Oh my god.
Okay, we have more powerful.
Yes, this
Four wheels.
Woo! The mean streets of Lombok, of the jungle. This is insane. Oh my god, this is insane.
Look at that.
Oh my god. This is wild. I don't know if the camera's getting this, but
We're almost there.
Almost there.
almost there?
Almost.
He said that like 10 minutes ago too.
Almost.
He said that like literally 10 minutes ago.
Oh, is that a sinkhole?
No, it's okay.
No. Waterfall?
No, that's like a huge ditch. Yep, teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah.
Help us out here. Back up.
Back
I don't know if that's safe for him, but oh my god. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh, this is amazing. Oh god. A child is lost. Someone has lost the flip-flop. What are we gonna do? Bye, Melissa. Whoa! Oh, this waterfall better be worth it. Oh, my crotch. Oh, shoot. Oh my god.
There is a snake.
There's snakes?
Yeah.
What kind?
Green.
Are they poisonous?
Yep.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious, but 20 minutes from here.
20 minutes from here.
From here.
20-minute walk.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think these guys are totally cool. I'm kinda cool. She's not cool. Let's get out of here. Let's go to the waterfall. We made it. We got about a 20-minute walk and we make it to the waterfall. What an adventure it's been. But yeah, 20 minutes and we are to one of the toughest locations to get to a waterfall, it feels like. In regards to like the trek, it's not bad, but the drive here is pretty rough. So our driver's been here about 2 years ago. He said a lot of the water, the rain kind of messed up the roads significantly, let's say. So luckily we have our tour guide with us besides the driver who was able to help him guide him through the roads that was destroyed and messed up by the rain and the running water. But 20 minutes and yeah, we should be at the waterfall. There's absolutely no one here. Oh, I haven't had water in 15 days. I don't know if we're gonna survive this. I'm so dehydrated right now. I'm gonna have to drink my urine and just try a little bit of it first to hydrate myself. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. So back in the day, Rinjani, before it was called Samoas, this is all volcanic lava from the previous volcano. We made it. Oh, look at that. This is so beautiful.
What do you think, Spider-Man?
This is amazing, dude. Thank you. This is beautiful. And there's like only 3 people here. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. So it actually falls down over there too. And it starts back there. But this is absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy we made it now. Oh, well, let's eat a little lunch. I am hungry. Yeah, I'm gonna wash my hands, get some lunch. Let's get some lunch now.
Lunchtime.
Oh, we got some chicken, tofu. We got some rice. Let's chow down. Woo! This was totally worth it. Oh my God. Has to be, honestly, one of my top 2-3 waterfalls I have ever been to. There's no one around at all. We just had lunch. They just made some coffee. And yeah, we got this. Lots and lots of cinematics, lots of awesome drone shots. The sun's finally coming out. This is beautiful. They jumped in. Bye-bye. What an awesome day. We're leaving the waterfall now. He's basically saying if you go into the waterfall, it's like a blender in there. So once you go in, good luck coming out. So we didn't really go for a swim. Woo! But we got a 20-minute trek back to the car. I don't even want to think about the car ride back. I don't even want to think about that car ride back. Good. Thank you very much, man. Oh my God, we made it to Kebun. Kebun Villas. Oh, I'm so happy we're back. Thank you very much for everything. We appreciate it. You are the best. Eka Tours and Hasby, the absolute best. It was so much fun. You scared Melissa a little bit, but it's okay. But it was so much fun. Thank you for everything.
Okay.
We'll see you on Friday?
Yes, on Friday. Of course.
Okay.
We go around again.
Bike tour.
Okay.
Go around. It'll be crazy. Hey guys, have a good night. We have the option of swimming here. They have a nice little restaurant over here. I'm not sure if we're gonna eat dinner, but yeah, this pool looks so nice. And this is the second pool, which is absolutely beautiful. We're literally 5 feet from the pool. I can put our stuff down and jump right into the pool. Oh, we just got a little swim out there, got a little fresh, and we are back in the room. Let me show you a quick room tour. It's a little messy, but bear with me here. So we got We got a little bed out here. My favorite part is the infinity pool is literally right out there, and you get the bed, and then you walk in, you get a little TV over here, and it's really simple but really nice. You have a fridge right over here. You got a ton of closet space, including a safe, of course. And then right behind me, you have the bathroom. So you walk right in, you got a cool little sink, and you got a stand-up shower. It's pretty nice and simple. Yeah, besides that, Danny, one of the guys who works here, just taught us a little Indonesian. Saya lumpar means I am hungry. Apa kabar, which means how are you? And I don't want to let him down. He kind of held me accountable and said, tomorrow I'll see you, and hopefully you say it to the staff, hopefully you say it to everyone, so hopefully I remember and I don't let Danny down. Besides that, Kebun Villas is such a comfortable place with a pool right out there in this beautiful room. We have about 4 more nights here, so this is like our home for the full week essentially, and it's been an amazing day with Eka tours also. Again, Lombok's like Bali 10-15 years ago, so you see it's a lot quieter, it's a lot more mellow, which is something that we're looking for, and it is perfect. It's absolutely beautiful in Lombok, so definitely check out Lombok. There's gonna be another vlog or 2 coming out on Lombok in the next couple days. And yeah, we're gonna probably get some dinner tonight. We're gonna relax maybe at the room. We might go out and get some food. And if you guys like this vlog, hit the like button. If you guys are brand new to the channel, welcome to the channel. I have a ton of Bali vlogs and Lombok vlogs and Gorontalo vlogs of Pulau Cinta out. So check out those vlogs. Comment down below if you guys have any questions at all. And make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys are reminded for the next vlogs coming out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Saya lumpar. I am hungry. You guys have a good night.